Who did this?
Oh my god. We're both just...
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Oh, we know he was injured in the regular season finale game.
Give me that, man!
Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Bailey, are you sad? No?
Do you want to go for a walk?
Steffi, do you want to go for a walk?
Next to the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait.
This is my boyfriend Derek. This is Derek's boyfriend Ben.
Hey!